Let me ask y'all a question. Have you ever seen a baby bird? Have you seen its nest high up in a tree? You see, when a baby bird is born, it's weak and it can't even fly yet. It's secluded high up in the trees in its nest where no one can reach it except the mama bird, the dad bird, and the rest of the birds. And you see, this baby bird, it needs to be safe from things that can hurt it, from things that could potentially damage the baby bird, like cats, dogs, people. And that's why birds, they build their nest in secret places where no one can view it. And you see, that's much like your life as a chosen one. A lot of people nowadays are not building their life in secret places. A lot of people are building their life, in fact, on social media where the whole world can see. A lot of people are building their life out in the open. And you see, that's not necessary. Because the most important work that you do on your life is not going to be out in the open. You understand? It's not going to be out in the open. The most work that you do on your life, that's going to be done in secret. You see, you got to be like the baby bird. You got to build your nest in secret places. Be like a baby bird that builds its nest in secret places. Because not everybody has to be exposed to your life. Not everybody has to know the work that you're doing. Not everybody has to know your business. Not everybody is privileged to know what you've been through, to know where you're going, to know what your plans are. There is just certain information that deserves to be confidential. A select few people are allowed to know. They're allowed to gain certain information about you. But not the entire world. You see, when you want to build your life on social media, out in the open, to me, you become an attention seeker. You seek attention. And you want clout. You want people to know this about you. You want such and such to see this. You want everybody to see every aspect of your life. And that's not smart. That's not how you're supposed to move. That's not wise. And you see, like a baby bird, these hidden nests, right? These hidden nests are where the baby birds grow stronger, right? They grow stronger, they learn how to fly, they become big birds, right? Baby bird has the most growth in secret places where their nest is at, high up in the trees. That is their time, like I said, to fly, to learn how to fly, to grow, become big birds. They don't, baby birds do not grow up in front of you. No, baby birds grow up in secret places. That's how your life has to be. That's how you should treat your life. Your growth should be done in secret, not in front of the entire world to see. You see in Matthew 6:6, but when you pray, go into your room, close the door, and pray to your Father who is unseen. Then your Father who sees what is done in secret will reward you. And what does that mean for us? You know, it's basically saying like the baby birds, right? A place like the baby birds, the nest for them is a significant place for them to grow. And you see, this secret place could be anywhere for you. It could be your room. It could be your closet. It could be your bathroom. It could be the living room. It could be out in nature. It could just be you taking a walk. You know, it can be anywhere where you choose. A quiet spot under the tree. You know, walking in the park. Just gaining a peace of mind, some clarity. To gain a sovereign mind. To where you can go talk to the Father. Because the moments that you have alone are very crucial. The times where you are by yourself, the times where there's no one around, it's very crucial to your development, very crucial to the process of your life. And the secret place in which you choose, it's away from the noise, the eyes, and the words of other people. It's just you and the Lord. You and the Messiah. And in this secret place, you can grow. You can learn more about the Most High. Get a better understanding of what your purpose is in this life. To learn and discover more about yourself. You can get stronger in your faith, like the baby bird gets stronger in the nest.